how to test and check wireless charging on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. Device care is here, so click on device care. Here click on scroll down and click on diagnostics. After click on diagnostic, click on phone diagnostics. Scroll down, and if you want to check and test wireless charging, so you will see wireless charging is here, so click on wireless charging. So put your phone on a wireless charging. So after the process, result is showing on your screen. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can check and test wireless charging on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.